bathrooms are prime mold growth areas due to persistent humidity. To prevent mold, regulate humidity levels and ensure good ventilation. Avoid trapping moisture-laden steam from hot showers by keeping the door open. Even with proper ventilation, dampness from showers, sinks, and toilets can foster mold. Bathroom mats and towels can also harbor mold if left damp. Cracked grout allows moist air to seep behind tiles, creating a mold-friendly environment. Regularly inspect areas prone to mold, including caulking, grout, tiles, sinks, toilets, windows, ceilings, walls, towels, robes, shower curtains, and mats. Create a mold-resistant bathroom by managing ventilation, humidity, and water accumulation. Regularly clean and dry shower curtains, floor mats, and other fabrics. In a separate laundry room, follow similar precautions. Ensure regular airflow, control humidity, clean floor covers, inspect behind appliances, and clean dust and laundry lint. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at bustmold.com or through our app.